If you want to make big money on Fiverr, the most important thing that you could do is get yourself featured by Fiverr itself. They don't feature just about anybody. For you to be featured, you have to have at least 100 feedbacks, and they have to be very positive as well. Another thing, when you're creating the work and you're getting it done, it has to be done as fast as you can, and at the same time the quality has to be superb. By getting featured by Fiverr, you're going to be shown on the first page of the Fiverr gig in the specific section that you have been featured. So when somebody goes into one of those different categories, the first thing they're going to see is your gig at the top of the page. Another thing, they have an email campaign that is active, and they have millions of people who are subscribers to those kind of mailing lists that they sent out, which means if you're featured and they sent out a bunch of those emails to their clients, you're definitely going to get a humongous amount of jobs. As you can see, some of the people who are featured on those gigs already got 613 different jobs because they've been featured on Fiverr. Another thing, by being featured on Fiverr itself, I highly recommend for you to go and change the gig. You don't want to get started at only $5. In fact, you want to get started getting paid at the level that you are comfortable earning some money. This particular person charges all the way to $30. And when you see that different kind of gigs that are featured, which one are you more likely to buy? The cheap one or the one that seems to perceive quality, because it actually sells it for $30 versus everything else that goes for $5. So by pressing on this, I want to see why this particular seller is making so much money. Another thing I highly recommend for you to do is, once you become a level 1 seller, you can activate the package deals. With the package deals themselves, you can actually create your own custom package that you can sell to your clients. So you no longer want to charge only one flat rate for your services. In fact, you can charge 3 different levels for your services themselves. You can do the standard, you can do the premium, you can do the professional. In fact, you can name those package deals whatever name you actually want, because Fiverr allows you to customize what kind of names that you're giving them, the prices themselves, and to top it off, the description of what kind of services you give them. So this is a great way for you to enhance the ability of the money you can make on Fiverr itself by activating the package deals. To top it off, there is other kinds of extras that you can give on top of the package deals themselves, such as the 1-day delivery, and also give a few gig extras to it as well. So you can make a lot more than $100 a day if you are very smart and you know exactly how to create a package deal that somebody is going to buy, and then try to get them to buy the premium services that you are actually offering for your gig extras.